Want a jelly bean? Okay, Nanny, give you a jelly bean. Wow, is that a yellow one?
Mom.
Yeah. You want another one?
What do you think, Shelly? Should we just take the buzzers to him first?
I don't know. Do you have a comb? I have a comb in my bag.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Toot, toot, toot.
Yay, Daddy! Where's another jelly bean? You have
I don't
another
know if
jelly
this
bean?
is right to do.
You have a jelly bean?
Another jelly bean?
Where's it? Where is it? It's in there? Is it in there? I got it.
Maybe I need
it's
like
a red one.
more shorter attachment, not really taking that much off, am I?
Really?
You sure you want to
Better
sit
a little
there?
at a time than too much, right?
Oops.
Woo! Look at. What is that? Ooh.
I don't know if I'm doing this very well, huh? I'm trying to just get the bottoms and a little
Is that your
trim.
hair? What are you doing to you? Wait a minute, Daddy. Wait a minute.
You doing too much? I shouldn't have just
Oh my goodness. What? Another jelly bean,
Now we're
Mommy.
going to have to go
Another
to
jelly bean,
professionals
Mommy.
tomorrow.
another jelly bean? Just one. Just one.
Just one. Do 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 do.
I'm glad it doesn't make very much noise.
Is it that one? Is it that one? Is it that one? There it is.
No.
Is it gone? Look at my pants. Put it away. Go away.
I think I'd be fresh all this considering I've had my hair cut so many times and watched the action happen. I shouldn't have wetted it. Okay, a little more. Woo!
Okay.
You want another jelly bean?
Okay, where's another jelly bean, Daddy? What color is it? Is it red? Is it yellow? Green.
It's gonna be a
Are you
very
done?
good haircut, is it?
Is it done?
Okay, I'm gonna get the clippers. How are we doing there? Should I cut some down here?
I don't know. What do you think?
You doing a bad job here?
Oh, do.
It's a bit sure. Okay. A little more. Not really cutting anything. Okay, a little more. One more.
Jelly bean? What color? What color? Purple. Green.
No.
Yellow. Yes, yellow.
No.
You want more?
Okay, brush it out, brush it out.
And this.
You'll always go back down.
You want this? Hold on. Okay, a little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Just get a little bit off this area. Huh?
Yeah, can
You wanna do a little something?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Are you in a hurry? Whoa.
Is it cold, Elijah?
No, it's windy.
And this.
Oh, we forgot to get the bowl, Josh.